y'all, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva, and today I'm gonna be doing crochet hair, and this is the company that I got the crochet hair from. And this is what the hair look like. It's a ombre color going from black to like a really nice golden brown at the end, and I got 5 packs to do this style. I'll let you know at the end of the video how many packs I use from it. I also got this little goodie bag with some stuff in there, a stocking cap. What else did I get in there? I got a crochet needle, which I'm gonna be using. I got an edge brush, and I also got clips and a tail comb. So this is the pattern in which I braid my hair to, install the crochet braids. And as you guys already know, I don't usually do crochet, so pray for me. This is what the hair looks like out of the plastic bag. I had to show you guys one more time just so you can see. It has a really nice curl pattern to it. I also wanted to show you guys up close, what they look like on the thing that they came on, or how they come. They are, like individual, and so it's very easy for you to grab each one of them and install them. So here I am installing the very first one. And like I said, I really don't be doing no crochet braids, so I am like learning as I go along, and I'm not ashamed to say so. So doing the very first few, it was much harder than, as I got further into it, it started to get easier. So kudos to me. Like I said, I was just learning as I was doing it, and it got better and easier as I did it. So I'm only going to be doing just a few in the back on camera before I move on to the front, just so we could get through this much faster. And I believe you guys get the concept now as to what I'm doing. But just in case you guys are still somewhat confused, I'm gonna show you guys a few more in the front where I can actually see what I'm doing. And as you can see, I use the crochet needle to pull the hair through under my hair, and then I loop the hair into the little loop that's on it, and it's just as simple as that. I'm gonna go ahead and install a few more in the front, and then we're gonna get to me showing you guys what it all looks like when I'm finished. And here I'm just showing you guys what this one looks like after I install it in the front. I'm trying to do the front much neater than I did the back, of course, because the front is going to be showing much more, so I spend a little bit more time on the front just to get it better. And right here I'm installing this one, and it's a little bit far off from where the first one is, so I'm gonna go ahead after this one and install one right in the middle of the two of them. Another thing I want to mention, guys, in the back I put them a little further apart than I did in the front, just because the more I add them in the back, the more they're gonna be covered. But in the front, like I said, the front is gonna be showing more, so I try to do them closer and tighter, just so it will look nicer. Alright, so guys, I am all done installing them, and this is me just using my comb to comb through the root of it just to make it look a little fuller. As for the rest of it, I use my fingers and run it through it to loosen up the curls a little bit, and that's all I did to it. I did not add any water or any hair product, nothing like that in it, even though I could have, but I want to be able to use the hair again without having to wash it, so that's the reason why I did not add any of that product in there. I also went ahead off camera and add a few more right in the front just to fill it in a little bit more, because I didn't like the way it was looking. But yeah, that's all I did to finish this off. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. So this is it, you guys. I think the color is really beautiful. I absolutely love this ombre color, and that's one of the reasons why I want to use the hair again, because I feel like I could do something else with it. Maybe next time what I'm gonna do is braid my hair and add it in, like do a boho style with it, because I don't think I want to do crochet again. I am not a really big fan of crochet, but the color of the hair, the texture was really soft, the curl pattern was just perfect. So yeah, I absolutely love everything about this hair. So let me know, guys, in the comment if you think you would try this hair, and I will leave all the information for it down below so you guys could, you know, check them out. To complete this look, I used 4 packs. I really should have used all 5, but I used 4. The reason why I said I should have used 5 is because I know it would have looked fuller, and that's something I think I would have liked. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!